All right, this is part 2 of the PTO removal. We left it was at 1.6 ohms, and it needs to be within 2 to 4 ohms. So I ordered one up, and what it was doing is blowing fuses. We're connected right here across the 2 contacts at the bottom of the plate that's providing low resistance. Okay, opening the box. This is the Xtreme. I'm not going to be able to flip it up, but it's the Xtreme clutch, and opening the box, this is what you see. You have instructions. Installation instructions, Well, look at this. Let me flip this around so you can read it and see it, and I can do the same. Okay, these are the instructions. This is step 8, so let's go here. Step 1. And you can read this as well as I can. Basically, electrical circuit inspect. Sometimes the reason for the clutch has failed is the electrical system. We know it's not the case. Remove the tie wraps, inspect the wire harness. Well, that we've kind of already done all that. Stand by 1. All right, then we remove the belt. All this has been done. Note the location. It's important to note how the components are assembled. It is critical that everything goes back in its place correctly. Okay, remove the clutch. That's already been done. Inspect and clean the crankshaft. I will do that. Let me move my hand so you can see the other side. All right. Installation instructions continuing on. If you want to read it, you most certainly can. I will, but I'm trying to capture this all on the camera so you know what comes with the vendor. Right, there are other things, let me zoom in here, that come with the unit. Okay. I opted to get the replacement assembly and cable, and this is what it looks like. Stand by 1. I got to flip this around so I can see it and you can see it. Okay, that's it. It's a cable with the connector. And basically this stuff is all the same price. Has some tie wraps. So that's there. Removing this. Putting that over by the trash. Here is the clutch. Okay. There's also, with the clutch, a harness we'll have to read about and see. This is a metal plate, rather. And more tie wraps. Okay. All right. So with that, now we're going to do a comparison between the two. Let me flip this around. Now this unit here comes sealed. So it has a plug. It's not the same as the John Deere one or the one with the original manufacturer. But there it is. Okay, it does spin freely. Well, kind of freely. Okay. From what I can tell, it does look the same. Let me detach you so you can take a look at it here. Put the camera All right, I guess you missed the unboxing because I made a mistake. This comes with a different type of cable. It also came with this metal bracket and 2 more tie wraps. In the original packaging, I think I caught that on camera. I messed up when I did it. Came with these. Basically a tube, another connector that will interface. Let's see, that's it. Looks like they got dielectric grease in. Comparing the two, this is different. It's sealed on the bottom of the unit. This piece here is a little different, but that has a gasket. It's probably left on the mower. We have more rivets. Just a piece in general. You can see here a snap ring. You can replace these bearings where these are pressed to fit. And that's it. So I'm going to take a measurement now of the resistance across this unit. Currently there you can see this one is at 1.4 ohms. So it is varied. It was 1.8 at the start, and just letting the circuit from a meter run through, it's gotten lower. So it's 1 ohms, and this is why this one's failing and blowing fuses in the lawnmower. So let me hook up and take a measurement of the resistance here. All right. Where the old unit had 1.4 ohms of resistance, this new system or new clutch has 3.2 ohms, which is greater than 1.4. So it's going to use less current. As a matter of fact, 1 amp's worth. So that'll be about 12 amps. Well, 1/12 less. Okay, so I'm going to install this and probably show you that, and go from there. They appear to be pretty much the same, just different manufacturer. And I know I may have shown, I hope I didn't lose it, these you can pull out this clip and change the bearing in the future should you have to. All right, let me set that up so we can go underneath it and take care of the clutch removal.